2020 Nissan Murano. I'm going to reset the oil life and filter maintenance. All you're going to need to do is you're going to use the digital display on the dash up there and this button on the steering wheel. These controls right here. And we're going to scroll over to the right. We're going to get to the settings menu. It's all the way to the right. Once you get there, you're going to press OK. Okay, and then you can use this button here to go down to where it says maintenance and press OK. And right now it's on the oil and filter. We're going to reset that. Go down to reset and it'll ask you if you want to do it. You're going to say yes. Okay. Then we'll scroll over to the left, right this. Go back down to tire. And if you need to reset that, you can reset that also. Just press reset, like so. Okay. You have an other setting here, which is not on. And it's that simple.